Okay.
I got that. I got that on film.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Landed already.
Yeah, go do the other.
Woo. Watch Damien do an ollie.
Damien, do a heel flip. Well, I can't do
Do a boneless.
Whoa!
Oh, boneless. Oh. Oh.
Not bad. No,
I didn't think it could be done.
I don't know.
No way.
Eight.
What? Oh. Come on, there. Whoa. Did you guys actually want to go somewhere? What? What? Alright,
Because we want to.
damn, dude, this shit always. Oh!
Whoa.
Come on, David! Oh, yeah.
Damien, suck his dick. Oh.
Hey, what do you have, teeth? Come on, Jimmy. Straight flip, heel flip, landing. All good, okay, teeth. Yay! Pretzel. Damn it. Oh, Martin's at my house. Dude, just tell him the minutes I know him, man. Yeah, tell him the minutes. You're like a mile.
Yeah. That totally counted. Get it. Ollie.
Oh, God.
Ollie. Oh, he did it. Oh, I think that was fakey.
That was not.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh! What do I do? Okay. Oh. I'm getting on the spot.
Oh! He did a hat flip. Oh yeah, he's totally gonna get it. That's Adam's game. Adam, what do you have to say?
That's the winner.
Dude, you're not tired. Come on, it's raining.
Hard, dude.
Not, dude.
Oh, God.
Oh, you suck.
I did it. Right here. Oh!
Oh, it's so slippery. Oh, my bushings are getting like squeakier and like looser.
It's starting to get hard. Yeah.
Like what? Damien, do that again.
What?
Do that feet slide.
What?
Feet slide.
What?
Oh.
I'll do it on this.
Alright. Down.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Anything else amazing to do? Are you gonna drop in? Okay. And then he skated all the way home. Hurry up, tell me what you want to do.
Up here.
Oh gosh, it's so slippery! Ah! Oh gosh! Oops. Oh, that was such a terrible like camera, like video record. Oh, almost slipped. So what are you gonna try? Dang, I wonder if I have enough memory.
Whoa!
Oh, dude. Oh my gosh.
It's slippery.
Double whammy. Oh gosh, there's rain getting on my screen.
Cover tracer, Robert.
Woo. Yeah? Well, I didn't even see what happened.
Here we go.
Well, land it.
I mean, gay.
Oh! Oh! Double whammy.
Double whammy. Hey, bro.
Are you gonna land it?
Are you gonna land it?
Oh!
Oh my God. I'm gonna go home, you guys. See you guys later. Really?
You going home? Oh.
What's the other line?
Oh. We're going? We going?
Probably don't film me.
I gotta film the filming projectors filmers.
I'm not the phone projector.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not in phone projectors.
Okay.
I'm in, oh boy.
Oh. Until we meet again on the orange line and the red line.
Another one.